Hello everyone, I'm Lindy Whitton and welcome to my studio. You probably know me from the YouTube videos. Some of you might be with me on Patreon, where I do extra lessons and worksheets and critiques of your artwork and just share some of the things that happen in my studio and things that are related to my art practice. What I want to share with you today is that I've lately been feeling so blessed with such a great life that I have. I have food when I want it, I have a doctor when I want it, I can go to my public hospital and get an operation. All those things you can take for granted, but lately I haven't been taking them for granted, and I've come to feel that I want to donate all the money I make from your generous donations on Patreon. I want to donate that to charities. The charities I've chosen to support at this time are World Vision Food Security Programs and the Fred Hollows Foundation, which is a wonderful foundation set up here in Australia to help provide eyesight restoring operations to people who couldn't otherwise afford them. I think that's a wonderful gift to give someone. I hope that if you would like two things: you would like to help others, and you would like to have some lessons, extra lessons and extra information that can help you progress in your art, that you might come and join me on Patreon and help us do some good in the world. Thanks for watching. I'll see you either on Patreon or here on YouTube again. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.